Hey everyone, if you're planning to buy web hosting, don't spend your money before watching this quick video. If you want the best available Hostinger deal in 2026, simply click the first link in the description below. That link takes you directly to the official Hostinger website, where any eligible promotion is applied automatically. You don't have to search for coupon codes or enter anything manually during checkout. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a business website, creating an online store, or building a WordPress site, Hostinger offers fast performance, reliable uptime, free SSL on many plans, an easy-to-use control panel, and 24/7 customer support. Before placing your order, click the first link below. Choose the hosting plan that fits your needs, review the latest available offer, and complete your purchase with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.